Hello and welcome to Inspiration and References. This is a similar format to the Art Business Vision Board, but this is a place for you to collect and enjoy the different inspirations and references for your artwork. So, are you inspired by a color, by nature, by texture, by a topic? Collect them here, add an image or drag and drop, or even import through a link. Then, add a caption or comments to keep making this a dynamic board, just like if you were to tape up photos in your studio, if you were to write on a whiteboard, or even cut and paste and journal in your diary or journal. So this is your go-to place to kind of collect your references and have a digital and a mobile version of your sketchbook and your inspirations.